Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Story Session with Sneha. Wish you all a very happy new year. I hope all of you are doing well and you have started off with your new year resolution. So you can comment down below what are your new year resolutions, what are your dream and aspiration and hope from this new year. I too have written down my resolution. So let's see if we have some common resolution too. One thing I think all of us will be having common is to live a healthy life, to live in a healthy world, and to be able to set ourselves free. Since the last 2 years, we have confined ourselves, we have retreated from the outer world, which was important because of the pandemic, and it's still going on. So we will have to have some precautions in life. At the same time, we will have to think that how can we live a happy, a cheerful and a good life with all our family members, relatives and everyone surrounding us. So wishing you all a very happy new year again. I was reading out to you a I was not reading out to you any fiction this time, but I was sharing with you some of the practices which you can start to give life a purpose and a meaning. And these practices are from the book The Magic by Rhonda Bryan. So I have shared with you the first and the second day drill, which you will practice, and today I'll be sharing with you the third day practice from the 28th day regimen, which will definitely bring you some changes in your life. It's not that you will be changing as a person completely, no, but there will be change in the views, in the perspective, and there will be some purpose and meaning definitely if you are going to practice all the day drill religiously, as I'm going to share with all of you. So let us see what is the third day drill. The third day drill is magical relationships, and it is not only about your relationship with your lover or your husband. It's about your relationship with all your family members, with your friends, with your near and dear one, with your neighbor, everyone. It depends on how we connect to people, and I believe that we get back what we give. It reciprocates. So this is how it works. So let us see what is this drill all about. Imagine if you were the only person on earth. You would have no desire to do anything. What would be the point in creating a painting if no one could see it? What would be the point in composing music if no one could hear it? What would be the point in inventing anything if there would be no one to use it? There would be no reason to move from one place to another, because wherever you went would be the same as where you were. No one would be there. There would be no pleasure or joy in your life. So it's very important for us to have that social life, because then only we can build in relationships, and then only there will be a purpose. Because without the relationship, without the people around us, I don't think we will be able to live a solitary life. It's your contact and experience with other people that give your life joy, meaning and purpose. Because of that, your relationships affect your life more than anything else. To receive the life of your dreams, it's vital that you understand how your relationship affect your life now, and how they are the most powerful channels for gratitude to start magically changing your life. Science is now confirming the wisdom of the great sages of the past, with research studies showing that people who practice gratitude have closer relationships, are more connected to family and friends, and have other people look upon them favorably. But probably the most astounding statistic that has come out of research studies is that for every one complaint about anything, any person, whether in thought or word, there have to be 10 blessings for the relationship to flourish. Any less than 10 blessings for everyone complaint, and the relationship will deteriorate. And if the relationship is a marriage, it will most likely end in divorce. Gratitude makes relationship flourish. As you increase your gratitude for any relationship, you will magically receive an abundance of happiness and good things in relationship. A gratitude for your relationship doesn't change only your relationship, it also changes you. No matter what your temperament is now, gratitude will give you more patience, understanding, compassion, kindness to the point where you won't even recognize yourself. The little irritation you once felt and complained you had in your relationship will disappear. Because when you're truly grateful for another person, there's nothing you want to change about that person. You won't criticize, complain about, or blame them because you are too busy being grateful for the good things about them. In fact, you won't even be able to see the things you used to complain about. So today's magical practice is being grateful for people just as they are. Even if all of your relationship are currently good, they will increase with more magnificence through this practice. And with everything you find to be grateful for in each person, you will see gratitude perform its breathtaking magic, and your relationship will be stronger, more fulfilling, and more enriching than you even thought they could be. So choose three of your closest relationship to be grateful for. So if you be grateful and if you have gratitude for the relationship which you share with your near and dear one, you will see that how beautifully and magically your bond becomes stronger and you can connect with the other person so easily and you be happy with each other. So you can choose three people and you can take a photograph of them and write down 5 lines for each of them, that how you are grateful to have them in your life and for what you are grateful to have them, what kind of relationship you share with each of these people. And you can keep the photograph with you always of your near and dear one to look at the pictures, to be grateful for having them around. So this was a 3rd day practice. I hope all of you are going to enjoy doing it, and you can comment down below what was the result of it. Okay, so thank you all of you. Be in good health. Start off the new year with a fresh hope, fresh aspiration, and better you. Thank you. Bye bye. Be in good health. We'll see you in my next video. Till then, signing off.